Hey everyone, it's Rush here from the Lazy Society and welcome to another episode of Lazy Hacks. In this episode, I'm going to cover this new program that I found. I've been with them for a month. They're called DCX Live. And if you're into crypto, keep watching this because you're going to love it, right? Especially, it doesn't matter if you're a newbie to crypto or if you've been in crypto for a while and you're trying things out, you've got wrecked, you've got into scam projects, but you still love crypto and you believe in its future, you have to check this out. So I'm going to cover everything. So this channel, the focus of this channel is to bring you stuff that's just easy to use. It's about working smarter, not harder, and bringing you passive income opportunities, and this ticks all the boxes, so just bear with me. And if you're watching in Australia, contact me. I've left my contact details. I don't have a referral link or anything for now because I rather walk you through this myself and see if this is what you're really into, right? So this is just an intro video just to cover why I find it useful and also just give you share some sense about how I'm using this at the moment. So, alright, so just to give you a background, I've been into cryptocurrency and investing since 2017. Okay, so early on, I got into projects like Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple XRP, a little bit of Bitcoin, not so much, but when I got in, it was early 2017. And when the market crashed, it was early 2018. Now, anyone into crypto, you know what happened about there. You can see how far it just dipped. And that's when I just lost my interest. Luckily, I didn't sell because where I bought was around there. And it didn't make any sense selling it because things have always been up from there, right? From about there. So I never sold anything, but in watching this DCX Live, I realized that I could have actually made more money, right? I watched a lot of YouTube channels as well, in March and April of this year, 2021. And I just figured, wow, if I invested a bit more around this time, when it really dipped, I could have made a lot. Because as you can see, it's just gone to the moon, and we're on a slow descent down at the moment, but it's going to go up again. And when it goes up again, it's going to be even more. So now is a really good time to learn and educate yourself. And that's what I'm finding, and also having a good strategy that includes getting into the right coins, getting into DeFi, so growing your money every day, passive income opportunities, and there's so much out there. But it's about finding the right ones. It's about finding the ones that work. Getting into NFTs, non-fungible tokens, that is going to explode. In fact, it's already exploded, but there's going to be a lot more of that coming, right? And also trading. If you're into trading, if you're into leverage trading with crypto, this is the place to be and learn it the right way, okay? So I'm just going to show you this. So this looks like a gym timetable right here. So if you go to your local gym, you'll see your gym class, you'll see your weight training, your bike riding, whatever you're into. It's a bit like that. So every day there is someone coming on to share their crypto wisdom, and that's what I love about this program. My favorite, so I've got a few, so there's a lot of education there, as you can see. My favorite is Curtis Kobane. I'm not sure if you heard of the guy. He's been in crypto for a very long time, and this is where I learned everything, like just keeping my crypto safe, just really trying to understand how to play the game the right way. Okay, so he's got some priority videos in there. Crypto security 101. If you're new, start here. Making a portfolio. and also getting into the right coins. Teaches you about DeFi, teaches you about NFTs. He's got everything in there. Okay, and all this guy does, you can see when he talks. I'll take you to one of his videos. He is a passionate dude, right? Like, this guy loves what he does. He loves helping people. And just buying this course and paying it monthly, I'll cover that soon. For me, I've been in this for 1 month and I've just learned so much. And I've actually made more money than I started with because I got into his projects early, which are actually doing well. Okay, so let's click on his latest one. Check out his latest videos. So he's a cool guy as well.
All right. We are all locked and loaded. We got Boo Seymour. What's going on, Boo Seymour? That's what it wants to do. Alright. Oh, I got my family here today. What's going on? I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be disciplined. But I'm definitely looking at a couple things right now that are like, I'm not sure where this is headed right now. So I told you guys in a previous class, the longer that price stays at a zone, whether it be supply or demand, those are not typically good signs as to where price may want to go moving forward. So right now, I'm simply just watching exactly what happens because, yeah, we've been hanging out down here at 30K for a while now, and that is not bullish. There's nothing that screams upside right now, seeing what I'm seeing. So I definitely want you guys to be mindful that all the signs are pointing to down. Okay, I'm not going to give you all the sugar-coated version. All the signs in the market right now are pointing to more bearish momentum. As much as I want to be like, yeah, we're going to just hold, I still think 27K is in play, and it's getting.
And see, that's what I love about Curtis, because he's honest, and you will always get honesty from this guy. He says it as it is, and at the same time, he shows you how to play the market. So being patient is one. But when it drops to 27K, what should you do? Just watch while everyone else is buying. Dollar cost average. Like, get a little bit. And when it goes up over time, you'll be making a lot of money. So that's pretty much the strategy I've been following. But one of the other really cool things I like is how he gives recommendations on like just small cap gems, like just smaller projects that have a massive potential to go up in the future. So I think he talks about something like that, or around somewhere here.
We have Nina still taking a bit of a dip right now too, but I'm still looking to see where we go from here after the market recovers. I can't really gauge a lot of these smaller cap coins until the market starts to recover, guys. All right, but yeah, Olympus doing phenomenal right now. Absolutely phenomenal right now. We got Olympus, what was it, July the 6th, right? And from here, ever since that quick dip, and it just pulled back and took off. And I'll box this up for you guys on the session, and it took off from there. Red Fox is another.
So there you go. So he comes up with these signals to go, okay, well, I'm buying some. And you'll see most of them do quite well. Now, in a bear cycle that we have at the moment, a lot of the things are at a discount price. So if you do have some money to invest into crypto, and this is money that you can afford to lose, of course, right? Because crypto is still new. It's still technology that is very new, and some of the projects have yet to prove themselves. But when they do, the upside is massive. So if you do have spare cash, if you're looking into crypto as an investment, this is something I highly recommend checking out this program. So that's Curtis. He's got all these videos that you can watch on replay if you want to. And DCX also comes with curriculum that explains everything. So the exchange, it explains about your exchange there. It explains about about taking profit, right? That's one thing that I need to do better, and that's to take profit. So I see my coins, take it for a ride, but when it hits the top, I never take profits because I feel like it's going to go up even more. But what I've learned through this journey is it's very important to take profits because you can buy more with those profits and you can help your crypto grow, right? Arbitrage, like there's so much in there to take in. There's a lot of education in there, so recommend checking that out. Okay, now this program is part of a bigger system. So what is it? So if we go back, you will see that you have so DCX is just one of the things you can get into. Now I've only got DCX because I'm into crypto, but you can get into forex, you can get into options trading, which they've called HFX, or you can get into e-commerce as well. You can get into all of these, but it depends how much time you have. For me, I find that I need to focus on one and do it well. And if I focus on too many things, it's not going to go. Now, I have my own e-commerce system that I've implemented and I love. So I don't need to check this out. So I haven't signed up to it. But if that's your thing, you can. But have a look at my video that I sent. My previous video about e-commerce. That's a pretty cool program that I've been using. So feel free to check that out. But it's up to you what you want to choose from here, but DCX is crypto. How much does it cost? Alright, let's go to the cost side of things. So the most important thing, so every month, so if you select DCX, Swipecoin is selected by default. So the first month you pay $209. And after that you pay a recurring fee of $174. Okay, what you get is you get this Swipecoin app, which is this, and Swipecoin is a tool which you can have on your it on your phone. They've got an app for it, but the educators, they provide signals and they keep you up to date with signals every week, right? So they'll just come up with these entry 1 zones, entry 2, and they'll have a stop loss. So this one was done by Curtis on Friday 16th. And this is just basically, you can get this from your, you can set this up from your exchange. So you can set it up and just set and forget, and if it works out, you make profit. If you don't, you have a stop loss. So so this is what this is about with the app, and this is an amazing tool because again, it keeps it real easy for you, right? So for this package, you get that, and you get the Swipecoin app, all the education plus the app. Now, if you want to select other things, you can, but it's going to cost. Okay, it's extra. So yeah, so you can select all this stuff, and there's a whole bunch of other things which you don't need. So if you're into crypto, I just recommend selecting those two. But before you actually go and sign up, I just wanted to show you this, to show you how much this is going to cost. Get in touch with me, send me an email, contact me, and I will guide you through what I'm doing. I'll introduce you to my mentor. So if you do sign up, you become part of a community of people who are just boosting each other up. They meet every week. You don't have to meet, you can. There's a whole system in play, so that means that when you get into a community, you can exchange your ideas, you can, you bounce off other people, and that is how I like to run crypto, because I've been doing it for myself for so long. And I'm looking for other partners who are equally as passionate about crypto as I am, so we can bounce ideas. Now, since I've got into this community, I have learned so much, because there's people there from, like, I've got people on WhatsApp. I have, like, there's a Discord group. There's an Australia Discord group where people in Australia get together and they talk about crypto, or they talk about whatever they're into. Like, there'll be groups for options, there'll be groups for e-commerce, all of that. But what I love is you can just talk about projects. You can be a part of the community, and for me that's invaluable, right? Being part of a community for me is the best thing about this, and that's why I don't mind paying this subscription fee, especially if it's helping me to make that money back every month, and helping other people. Okay, so I'm not going to give you a sign up link. I'm not going to say, click on this link to sign up and I'm going to benefit from it, which I will. I'll admit there's a referral thing here as well. But I'm just looking for people who are as equally passionate about crypto as I am. So we can just work together, build this thing up, and hopefully end of 2021 just walk away to, I don't know, if you're into Lambo or Lambo Yard, or for me, I'm into snowboarding, so I'll go snowboarding for the rest of my life without having to work, and I have this system that's working for me, right? So I'm into, like, just passionate people who are into crypto, into learning crypto, or maybe you might be doing it at the moment, but you want to run with someone else, set stuff up. You don't know where this is going to go. So feel free to contact me, and hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll bring you another one at some point. All the best.